Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Super Mario 64 on mobile. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. I'm going to record this on my tablet or my iPad because I already have the app, so I don't want to delete the game on my phone and delete our progress. So I'm going to show you on mobile. First step, you have to open Google. Okay, and then you type in you have to type in APK. Wait a sec. You have to type in APK. Yeah, you have to type in APK Vision. And after you type in APK Vision, you click on this website. You click on, and after you're in the website called APK Vision, you click on that search button. Then type in Mario. Then you search Mario on APK Vision. Then it will load. Then you will see a bunch of games. Super Mario 64, Super Mario Maker 2, and a bunch of other Mario games. Click on Mario 64. Scroll down. And it's gonna say download Super Mario 64, but there's more to. But after you click download Super Mario 64, there's still gonna be more stuff you have to do. So click download APK. Then it's gonna have a timer. After the timer's done, click download Super Mario 64. There's gonna be more to this, guys. There's gonna be way more to this. Wait a sec. Okay. After you click on download, click on OK, click on details, and then it will say, but there's more to this, guys. There's more to this. Okay. After it's done downloading, you click. When it's done downloaded, you click on it. Install. Click on install, then you will see that when it said app installed, you click on done, then go back, then we'll see. Now you have Super Mario 64, and just so that you don't think it's clickbait and so that you know it's real, if you open the app, it's actually Super Mario 64 on mobile. See? So that's how you install Super Mario 64 on mobile. And just before we end this video, I'm gonna quickly show you some gameplay. With the earphones out, you can hear the music. So it does have music. You can actually play it. So A is jump, this is crouch, this is punch, and these and this are your camera angles. This is start and this is move. Let me quickly show you. Here's move. Then this is to jump. This is crouch. This is B is punt. These are your camera angles. And if you click on this one, then it will, Then R is also your camera angle. So that's the controls. You can actually play. Sorry, I'm not good at playing at the moment because I'm holding my camera in the one hand and in the other hand I'm controlling Mario. So if you use all two hands and not just one hand, it's gonna be way easier. Anyway, let's do a little bit of gameplay. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of gameplay. I'm gonna show you some gameplay. The gameplay. That time for some gameplay of this game. The right camera angle. Oh, and just so that you know, guys, if you don't know what long jump is this. To long jump, while you're running, click. While you're running, then do this. To long jump while you're running, do this. While you're running, to long jump. And then if you do it, it looks like this. Right. And that's how you install Super Mario 64 on mobile. You can also do it on any mobile device. And so don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, peace out.